Hey folks, today, I'm gonna take you on an incredible journey from wood to metal with a CNC machine transformation like no other. We're talking about converting a 1325 CNC router into a powerful plasma cutter. So buckle up, and let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the 1325 CNC machine. Originally designed for cutting wood, this bad boy is about to get a major upgrade. By attaching a plasma torch to the side of the CNC spindle, we're turning this wood-cutting workhorse into a metal-slicing beast. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The plasma torch is the heart of this conversion. With a high-powered 60A plasma cutter, it slices through metal sheets like a hot knife through butter. The torch moves with precision, following the intricate cutting paths programmed into the CNC machine. Picture this. Bright plasma arcs dancing across the metal, sparks flying everywhere, and the sound of molten metal hissing as it gets sliced. It's a sight to behold, and the best part? The CNC machine's smooth and accurate movements ensure that every cut is perfect. Let me break down how it works. The plasma cutter generates an intense heat that melts the metal, while compressed air blows away the molten material, leaving a clean cut. This process is not only fast, but also incredibly precise. Whether you're cutting intricate shapes or large sheets, this modified CNC machine can handle it all. One of the coolest things about this setup is the versatility it offers. With just a few modifications, you can switch between cutting wood and metal, making it a true multifunctional tool. Imagine the projects you can tackle with this dual-purpose machine. But remember, safety first. Always wear appropriate safety gear like gloves, goggles, and a welding helmet when operating a CNC machine and plasma cutter. The intense heat and flying sparks can be dangerous, so take all necessary precautions. So there you have it, folks. From wood to metal, the transformation of a 1325 CNC machine into a plasma cutter is nothing short of epic. If you're a DIY enthusiast or an engineer looking to expand your capabilities, this is a game changer. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep creating and stay safe.